guys, heading over to the Margaritaville parade. Got the cart all decorated here, and just waiting for them to come out, and then yeah, get started. Just got back from the parade. We didn't take a whole lot of footage, just footage before it started. And having a late dinner. It's 8:15 right now, and anyway, so now I'm gonna try to get dinner done. And probably not gonna shoot much video this week because I'm just kind of not into it. So this is Margaritaville weekend, Father's Day, and my birthday weekend. So wahoo. So just got done with my Father's Day / birthday dinner. It was wonderful. Betsy is a great cook. Went to town today, picked up a few things that we needed. Washed the RV. That was really needed because it got pretty scuzzy. And so instead of going back today, we're heading back home tomorrow, which is Monday, my actual birthday. And it's kind of relaxing. We're up here at the park, just let Piper play for a bit. I'm gonna go have a campfire and just, kind of relax. So didn't really do much of the activities other than Piper went and did the arts and crafts. And she made a turtle and a what was it? Octopus, yeah. And we got up there a little bit too early, so Kelly's like, yeah, just go on in there and start. So we got done before technically arts and crafts even started. So came back, did a few other things, washed the golf cart, got it decorated for the parade, and like I said, we didn't take much footage of the parade like we have in the past, but so anyway, not sure if we'll have anything else we'll be adding to this week's video, so if I don't, until next time, happy trails.